Global warming is the increase of the average temperature of the surface of the Earth. Throughout the years, scientists have observed this rise in temperature over the years and have found certain factors that influence this phenomenon. As the years progress, data has shown the rise of temperature since the beginning of Earth's time. Additionally, I'd also like to point out the greenhouse effect. It's a scientific concept that correlates to the topic of global warming as our atmosphere is trapping heat radiation. Although scientists agree with the premise that the Earth is getting warmer throughout the years, others dispute the phenomenon as a conspiracy. It is today a highly debated and controversial topic, and we will be discussing this topic in further detail on why it is important, relevant, what is known today, and more.
Global warming is important because it is determining our future climate. As days go by, climate change is causing certain consequences to our everyday lives. A warmer climate is creating more severe weather that causes wet areas to become more wet and dry areas to become drier. As the earth becomes hotter, land and sea species are having to adapt in order to survive. Death rates are rising due to the higher temperatures, leading to health concerns, especially in areas of no air conditioning. Another issue is pollution, which is caused by burning fossil fuels, cars, factories, and other sources. Also, another thing to look at is plants are the ones who take in all of this carbon dioxide, but if we are constantly using the deforestation method, then this is causing our ozone to thicken, trapping in more heat.
Healing the planet starts in your garage, in your kitchen, and at your dining room table. And here's how. Speak up, talk to your friends and family, and make sure representatives are making good choices. Power your home with renewable energy. Choose a utility company that generates at least half of its power from wind and solar. Weatherize. Heating and AC account for almost half of home energy use. You can make your space more energy efficient by sealing drafts and ensuring it's adequately insulated. Invest in energy efficient appliances and reduce water waste. Take shorter showers and turn off the tap while brushing your teeth.
Some of the reasons why people don't think that global warming is a real thing is because of one of their own experiences. Americans living in the Midwest still have snow and ice during the winter, which makes it hard for them to believe that climate change is actually a thing. Also, our president does not find any evidence in climate change, and therefore he does not believe in it. So a lot of people that support our president trust his word on that. Also, distrust of science. A lot of people don't believe in science because of religious affiliations. These are also the same group of people that do not believe in evolution, although that is a small percentage of climate change deniers. Also, another reason why people do not believe in global warming is because there's no known cause to this date. So scientists can't come to a mutual agreement on whether it exists and what causes it. Evidence supports that climate change occurred because of human interventions such as pollution, but other studies dispute this claim. Other deniers believe that climate change no longer exists and that the average world temperature remained consistent for several decades.
While CO2 has always been constantly released for as long as oxygen-breathing organisms have roamed the Earth, many have questioned how humans have contributed to much of this problem. When considering how long humans have lived on Earth, why has global warming suddenly become severe? Like many other organisms, humans also produce offspring, which in turn begin to use Earth's resources, such as oxygen. As the human population continues to increase, more CO2 will continually be released as the offspring consumes oxygen and other resources. With many cities all over the world becoming overpopulated, the human population will only continue to rise, causing more resources to be expended, resulting in more waste, especially CO2, to be released as the human's after product into the atmosphere. However, not only do humans contribute by releasing waste, but they also reform and reshape the environment, usually destroying it using methods like deforestation and urbanization. The environment is destroyed, leaving less plants to counter the CO2 emissions produced by humans and their usage of fossil fuels.